a super speed clean. I know this was a ton of footage. I just cleaned all over the house and I had to edit it down to something that I thought was manageable and watchable. I started out doing dishes because sometimes, you can see I baked a lot. We had a lot of stuff going on. I just have to stand there and get all the dishes done, which is not always the easiest thing to motivate myself for. So I always try to have a reward at the end of the day if I've done a ton of chores that are not my favorite. And dishes, I love cleaning in general. Dishes are not one of the things that I love to do. I'm also doing our morning routine, making breakfast. So I'm breaking in this new griddle. I made us some buttery toast for jam, and then just some nice fried eggs and olive oil that are something that me and the hamster both love. And one of my things that I try to do with my son is getting him involved with picking up some of his toys and, actually noticing that the house has to be cleaned, which he's aware of now, even if he's not quite willing to actually help clean most of the time. Sometimes he really is quite eager to because he sees that it's something, for the most part, that I enjoy doing. I love tidying. I love sweeping. A huge amount of laundry. I feel like it was 1 or 2 loads to fold, and yet it was so much to fold. And I roll up all my towels in kind of a little spa roll just because it makes me smile. And so I think anything in cleaning that I can do that can make me smile and therefore motivates me to be tidy is a good plan. Thank you so much for giving these videos a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you click the bell so you're getting all my videos that I post throughout the week. I'll see you in the next video and on my Instagram page. As always, hey, go check out my links in the description box. They link to all of my fun homeware goodies that I design. I even have 2 new trucker hats that have just come out that I had so much fun playing with the design on. See y'all around. Thank you so much for being on here with me.